Hey, have you ever thought about turning your ideas into passive income? Imagine getting paid while you sleep with just one product that keeps generating sales for you. That's the magic of ebooks. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell your ebook step by step. Whether you're a total beginner or have some experience, by the end of this video, you'll know how to transform your knowledge into a steady stream of income. Let's go. Writing and publishing an ebook costs next to nothing compared to other business ventures. You don't need inventory, physical space, or a large upfront investment for creating a compelling ebook. Once you write and publish an ebook, it can continue to generate sales for years without needing much upkeep. This is perfect if you're looking to build a long-term passive income stream. After the early effort, the profit margins on ebooks are incredible. Once it's created, you can sell it over and over again without any additional cost. With the power of the internet, you can reach readers from all around the world. Whether you're passionate about fiction, self-help, or a niche topic, there's an audience waiting for your content. How to create your ebook. Simple steps. The first step is finding a topic that sells. Here's a secret. People don't buy ebooks just for entertainment. They also buy to solve a problem or learn something new. Head over to platforms like Amazon Kindle or Audible and check out the best-selling categories. What topics keep popping up? Self-help, productivity, and personal finance are always hot, but you can also find success in more niche areas like vegan cooking, fitness routines, or digital marketing, and much more. The other thing is to know your audience well. Are they entrepreneurs, students, or parents? Once you have a target audience in mind, focus on their pain points. What are they struggling with? Your ebook should be the solution they're looking for. Now that you have a topic, it's time to plan your content as your second step. Creating an outline before you start writing will make the process smoother and ensure your ebook is structured well. Start with an introduction to why your ebook is important and how it will help the reader. Break your topic into digestible sections. Each chapter should focus on a key idea, lesson, or concept. At the end of each chapter, provide key takeaways or exercises your readers can apply immediately. The third step involves writing your ebook. Don't worry if you're not a professional writer. The key is to be clear, concise, and offer value. You're not writing an academic paper, so keep your tone engaging and friendly. Writing an entire ebook can feel overwhelming, so set small goals. Aim for 500 to 800 words a day. Once your first draft is complete, go back and edit for grammar, clarity, and flow. Step 4 involves designing a professional cover. Your ebook's cover is the first thing potential buyers will see. You don't have to be a graphic designer to create great cover. Tools like Canva make it super easy. Use bold fonts, strong colors, and relevant images. Your cover should communicate your ebook's content at a glance. If design isn't desirable, consider hiring a freelancer to design the cover. A polished, professional look can significantly boost your sales. Now comes the exciting part, selling your ebook. Here are the top platforms to consider. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. Amazon has millions of readers, so listing your ebook here gives you instant access to a large audience. Apple Books. It is one of the most used platforms and is an excellent option. It's simple to use and allows you to sell directly to your audience, and it also provides amazing discounts. Rakuten Kobo. It is one of the easiest websites to sell your ebook on. It's accessible worldwide. You just have to create an account, upload your book, and connect your bank account with it. Your own website. If you already have a blog or a following, selling your ebook directly from your website can be highly profitable. Platforms like Shopify make this process easy to set up. Social media. Promote your ebook on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Share teasers, posts, and snippets of your content to build interest. Associate with influencers. Reach out to bloggers or influencers in your niche to help promote your ebook. A recommendation from a trusted figure can drive a ton of sales for you. Now you have everything you need to start earning from your ebook. It's time to take action. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on creating and selling digital products. And let me know in the comments, what's your ebook idea? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.